Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to slow down any video on your iPhone using a free Apple app. You don't need any paid editing apps. So, let's get started. First, check if you already have the iMovie app installed on your iPhone. If you don't have it, open the App Store, search for iMovie, and install it for free. Once it's installed, open the iMovie app. If it's your first time using it, allow iMovie to access your photos and videos. Now tap Start New Project. Select Movie. Choose the video you want to slow down. Then tap Create Movie. Your video will appear on the editing timeline. Tap the video clip to select it. A toolbar will appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap the speed icon, which looks like a speedometer. You'll now see the speed slider. Drag the slider to the left to slow down your video. The farther you move it to the left, the slower your video will become. You'll also notice that the video duration increases as the playback speed decreases. Once you're happy with the slow motion effect, tap Done in the top left corner. Next, tap the Share button at the bottom of the screen. Then tap Save Video. Choose the video quality you want and wait for the export to finish. Once it's done, open the Photos app or the folder where you place the video, and you'll find your new slow motion video saved and ready to share. And that's it! That's how you slow down any video on your iPhone using iMovie. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.